nutrient-dense survival foods to keep you strong in emergencies. In times of crisis, food security becomes a critical pillar of survival. Power outages, natural disasters, or supply disruptions can limit access to fresh food for days or even weeks. Choosing nutrient-dense survival foods ensures the body remains strong, alert, and resilient under pressure. These foods provide essential nutrients, long shelf life, and reliable energy when resources are scarce. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Top nutrient-dense survival foods. 1. Dried legumes and beans. Beans and lentils are rich in protein, fiber, iron, and complex carbohydrates. They support sustained energy and digestive health. Properly stored, they can last for years and adapt to many simple meals. 2. Whole grains, oats, brown rice, and quinoa offer long-lasting energy and vital B vitamins. Quinoa is especially valuable due to its complete amino acid profile, which supports muscle maintenance during emergencies. 3. Canned fish, sardines and canned salmon are excellent sources of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, and vitamin D. They are ready to eat and contribute to heart, brain, and bone health. 4. Nuts and nut butters. Almonds, peanuts, and peanut butter provide concentrated calories, healthy fats, and protein. These foods are compact, satisfying, and require no preparation. 5. Dehydrated fruits and vegetables. Dried fruits and vegetables supply vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They help prevent nutrient deficiencies and improve meal variety, which is essential for long-term morale. 6. Shelf-stable fats. Olive oil, coconut oil, and ghee are highly calorie-dense and help the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins. Small quantities deliver significant energy benefits. 7. Electrolytes and supplements. Electrolyte mixes and multivitamins help maintain hydration and prevent nutrient gaps when food choices are limited. Preparedness begins with intelligent food selection. By prioritizing nutrient-dense survival foods, individuals can maintain strength, clarity, and endurance during emergencies. A well-planned food supply is not just about survival, it is about sustaining health and function when it matters most. Do you want to learn about 126 superfoods that you can store without refrigeration for years? With these lost superfoods in your pantry, you'll be able to keep your family well-fed during the darkest of times. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.